What's the one skill you absolutely need for the next decade? Yep, we're talking about AI. Get this. Professionals using AI are seeing up to a 40% boost in productivity. That's huge.
So this isn't just some trend, it's a massive shift in how we work, and you gotta get on board. So what are we actually talking about here? Let's break down generative AI, because that's the big one. It doesn't really think like us. Think of it as a super-powered prediction and pattern matching machine.
And because of that, you really need to know what it's great at and what it's terrible at.
This brings us to the most important skill you can learn right now, writing a good prompt. Follow this structure, and you get exactly what you want out of the AI pretty much every time. Okay, so what can you actually do with this? Let's get into some real-world examples.
For starters, you can turn a messy meeting transcript into a clean, actionable summary in just minutes.
Or how about this? You can analyze data just by asking questions. No code needed.
It can also be your writing partner, whipping up first drafts that you can then polish up.
Look, you don't need to learn every tool out there. Just start by picking one for each major task.
But with all this power comes responsibility, right? So let's talk about using it wisely.
First thing, AI learns from human data, which means it can also learn and amplify our biases. And this is huge. Never, ever pay sensitive company or personal data into these public tools.
So remember, AI is your co-pilot. It's incredibly powerful, but you're the one flying the plane.
The takeaway here is simple. Just knowing about AI isn't enough anymore. You have to use it well.